Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will teach you how to easily and simply draw using our hands and markers.
A jellyfish.
These drawing lessons are suitable for children from the age of 2 and are great for developing imagination and fine motor skills in children. Do you like jellyfish? They can sting you. Like this.
Subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up,
so you don't miss out on new drawing lessons. What color would you like to draw the jellyfish?
White.
How about you draw a violet one? I'll draw a blue one. And Maya will draw a pink one.
But pink is my favorite color.
Okay, this time let your younger sister have pink, alright? Grab your colorful markers. And now I'll show you everything. Take this one. We won't use the black marker. We'll immediately use violet, pink, and blue. Let's start by drawing the mother jellyfish. Place your hand on the paper. We need 4 fingers. And we trace around our hand. Like this. Follow along with me. And now place your hand here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now let's trace Maya's hand. And now for a magic trick. Take a little leaf and flip it over.
Mom, look. My jellyfish's tentacles are sticking together.
That's right. Now we can draw its head and upper part. Now take the black color. And let's draw its eyes.
Yes, Mom, then I'll draw.
We've got 2 eyes here. And then we'll draw a smile. And let's add eyebrows here. Now let's add more details to our jellyfish. Now take a marker of a different color. No, Maya, you'll have a pink jellyfish. Take the pink marker. I'll take the blue one. And you take the violet one. And now we need to color our jellyfish. This is how we'll have a family of multicolored jellyfish. One will be blue, one pink, and one violet. Now I want to draw pink circles on my jellyfish. Kids, let's color quickly. I'm almost done.
Yes, Mom, let's talk less and draw faster.
Jellyfish live in all the oceans of the world. There are jellyfish species that even live in freshwater lakes. Jellyfish come in many different sizes. Some can be as small as your finger. But there are also true giants, with tentacles over 30 meters long. Jellyfish are very unique creatures. They don't have a heart or a brain. And they're made up of about 96% water. Jellyfish that float close to the water's surface are usually colorless. Those that live in deeper waters can be red, purple, green, or yellow. In some countries, jellyfish are considered a delicacy. For example, in Malaysia, they cook them with rice and vegetables.
So, Mom, shall we show how ours turned out?
Let's do it!